So student, next is classification of arthropods. Okay. So it is classified into first crustacea. In crustacea, that prawn, lobster, crabs, all these things come, all these species. Chilopoda, Diplopoda, in Chilopoda centipedes, in Diplopoda millipedes, okay, Julius. And a very common and your favorite, that is Insecta. Insecta, Hexapoda. Why Hexapoda? Hexa means 6. Okay, the 3 pairs of legs. Next is Arachnida. Arachnida, a very common, that is spider and scorpio. Then Merostoma. M-E-R-O, Merostomata. And the last one is Onychophora. Onychophora. Okay, first we will discuss crustacea. So crustacea, the body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalothorax and abdomen. Okay, cephalothorax means head plus thorax. Head plus thorax. Okay, and what does it include? Okay, and a very important property, that is presence of carapace. The cephalothorax, ये जो cephalothorax है, cephalothorax is covered by a thick exoskeletal, that is carapace. This is a very important property. Okay, so what is carapace? Is a thick exoskeletal structure covering the cephalothorax. How you will learn? C for crustacea, C for cephalothorax, and C for carapace. And it is an important special property. And what else? 5 pairs of walking legs. And respiration के लिए, for respiration, branchial grills. Actually I have this explained, okay. And for excretion, green glands, and antennary gland is also present. Green glands, students, in prawn, okay. Antennary glands is also there. So it is also about crustacea. 17. Okay, next is what? Insecta. Let's discuss insecta because you people are aware of insecta. Insecta. What does it include? Achha, let me write the example. Forgot to write example. Well, it includes prawn and crab, lobster, and I think people are aware of all these species: prawn, crab, lobster. They human beings eat all these. Daphnia also comes. Okay. Insecta. Now insecta, what does it include? Your favorite butterflies. Okay. Cockroach, locust, bug. So this insecta is also known as hexapoda. Hexapoda. Why hexapoda? Hexa means 6. So 3 pairs of what? 3 pairs of legs. Okay. So body किस पे divided है? Body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Actually whenever you learn all these things को एक common example लेके चलो. Okay, always take for example insecta. What does it come? Cockroach. Example, let me write here. So very common example take. So it will be easy for you. It includes cockroach, butterflies. Okay. So you people always see head, thorax and abdomen. Now come to legs. ठीक है. How many? 3 pairs of legs. Three pairs of it is legs. Okay. And 2 pairs of wings. So total how many appendages? 3 pair of legs, 2 pairs of wings. Okay. And pair of antenna. You can also write. Antenna and compound eyes. What do you mean by the term compound eyes? In many arthropods, compound eyes are found. Mosaic vision is developed. इसमें क्या होता है? Mosaic vision is developed. Okay. The image is formed in small pieces and then it is formed in one image. Okay. The cockroach includes, right, let me write a butterfly also. Insecta, hexapoda, 3 pairs of legs. Next come to arachnida. Arachnida, very common, scorpion and spider. So how you will learn the characteristic features of these? Spider, which is common, found in every home. Okay, तो spider लेके चलो. Spider तुम लोग देखते होगे स्पाइडर में 4 pair of legs दिखते हैं. तो एक फीचर्स तुम लोग ऐसे ही याद कर लोगे. There are 4 pairs of legs. 8 दिखते हैं. How they are stick on the wall. So there are many things which you are not supposed to learn. Okay, just common observation will help you to learn all these things. So body divided cephalothorax and abdomen. Okay, and 6 pair of appendages. 6 pair of appendages. Okay, जिसमें से चलो let me write, first me write 4 pair of legs. 4 pair of legs and 1 pair of chelicerae. What is chelicerae? It helps in capturing of food. And what else? 1 pair of pedipalpi. It also helps in capturing foods and reproduction. Okay. Respiratory organs. Book lungs. And very common trachea, or you can say both. Okay. E A E. Oh, student, it is E A E. And excretory. Excretion. Excretion is Malpighian tubules. Three we have done. Next come to meristomata. A very common example is Lamulus. This is king crabs. What? While writing, students speak also. Okay, king crabs and also horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. Lamulus, king crabs, horseshoe crab. Acha, what is the scientific name of prawn? Very common. Palemon. Palaeemon. Palemon. Okay. And crab, cancer. Okay, go through all these words. And Daphnia, water flea. So why we call horseshoe crab? King crabs is also known as horseshoe crab. Why? Because cephalothorax is covered with horseshoe shaped carapace. So body जो है divided है. Body divided. Meristoma, cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalothorax, abdomen, and cephalothorax is covered with horseshoe shaped carapace. Okay, and 5 pairs of walking legs. Crabs तो देखा ही होगा तुम लोगों ने. And one pair, chelicerae. And for excretion, crab na, what is coxal gland? C for crab, C for coxal crabs. Okay, so it is all about classification. Next is Chilopoda, Diplopoda. We will take the species and continue. Okay.